Stop juggling spreadsheets and start streamlining your business. Let's break down Bonsai vs Honeybook to see which project management and invoicing tool is your perfect fit. First up, Bonsai. Their pricing starts with a free trial, then moves into tiered plans. The starter plan is great for solopreneurs needing basic project management and invoicing. The professional plan adds more automation and collaboration features, while the business plan unlocks everything, including client portals and advanced reporting. Now let's look at HoneyBook. Their pricing is a single, all-inclusive monthly or annual subscription. This gives you access to all their features from day one, including client communication, scheduling, proposals, contracts, and payments. Feature-wise, both offer invoicing, project tracking, and client communication. Bonsai shines with its time tracking capabilities and task management, making it ideal for hourly work. HoneyBook excels in client relationship management, workflow automation, and its booking process, making it perfect for event-based businesses and those needing detailed client interaction. So, who are they for? Bonsai is fantastic for freelancers and small agencies needing a robust, scalable solution with detailed time tracking. HoneyBook is best suited for businesses that thrive on strong client relationships, like photographers, designers, and event planners who want streamlined booking and communication workflows. In short, Bonsai is a versatile, budget-friendly option for task-oriented businesses, while HoneyBook offers a comprehensive, all-in-one solution centered around client experience. Consider your business needs and which platform best aligns with your workflow to choose the perfect tool for you. Which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparisons. Check out the links in the description to learn more about Bonsai and HoneyBook.